This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're going to look at this product from Fab Heavy. This is their 14-inch 5-blade reel mower, manual push mower. As you can see, it comes with a grass catcher as well. And a lot of people have a very small yard or just a small area they need to mow and don't want to deal with the whole hassle of batteries, electric, gas, and all of that. This right here is a good option for you. It's got pretty heavy-duty tread wheels on it. You have your grass catcher, you have your handle, ergonomic handle, got a little soft pad on the top of it as well. Very simple machine. Looks like it's going to work really well. 14-inch is wide. Decent size for a reel mower. Very easy to use as well. You're not dealing with something very heavy or anything along those lines. So, what I'm going to do is show you what it looks like when it comes out of the box. Get it all together here, as you see here, and then I'll show you how it works. We'll find some grass to use it on and see how well it does, and we'll do that here next. Alright y'all, just want to show you it comes disassembled, so there are a few wing nuts and a few nuts that you have to put on with the handles and the bag. I'm going to show you how to assemble it very quickly, and then we'll test it out. Alright guys, I got an area of grass right here that even though it's kind of the dormant season, it's tall enough that I can demonstrate this to you. So let me show you. So you have your height adjustment on the back here. You can go high, low. Again, you're not going to be taking too much off of this because it is a push reel mower, so it's designed to just clip the top off. And then two 10 millimeters adjust it to where the blades attach to the frame here. And you want to get that as close as possible so that it's easy to push, but it also clips off the grass. So I'm going to make a couple passes with this. So there you go. As you can see, for the most part, it got the grass and stuff in the bag here as well. Visibly, it's hard to see how it looks cutting wise, but yeah. So there it is, and then you can either empty the bag, you can take the bag off like so, and empty it wherever you need to, and unbuckle it or unclip it or whatever. So, very nice. And you just hook it back on. Again, this is going to be great for a small yard. If you have a small yard and want to, don't want to deal with gas, electric, or any of that, and like getting some exercise, this right here should work really well. It cut great from what I could tell. You can see all the grass clippings and pine straw it picked up pretty well. Alright guys, that's everything on this Fab Heavy reel mower. Should work really well for your needs. Not a very difficult item to operate, and very easy to put together, very easy to use. Should give your lawn a nice cut as well. Just have to stay on top of things with these reel mowers because they're designed not to really work in really thick grass. So get out there, get your exercise done every 3 or 4 days. Should keep your lawn looking really good. Thanks again y'all for watching, and I do appreciate it. I'll catch y'all on the next product review.